Here's an application question on multiplying polynomials. Question is, write an algebraic expression for the area of given figure. So that's the figure. It's kind of a rectangles, two of them joined together. Expand and simplify the area expression. Calculate area if x equals to 4 centimeters. So we are already given some units here. Let's assume them to be in centimeters. Okay, these numbers will assume them to be in centimeters. Okay, now we need to find area of this enclosed figure. To find this area, we can actually write an equation in two different ways. One, if I draw a line here, then the area of the whole thing will be area of small square, I should say rectangle, and the other rectangle. That's one way. The second way is we can actually extend, right, with this dotted line, and we can say area of our figure is total area, take away area of right hand corner, which is not included in the figure. So these are two different ways of writing an expression for this particular figure. Now, which one do you want to do? I'll suggest you try it with both, right? Let me do it with one of them. So now, from this, we can say length is given to us x plus 4. Width is how much? If this side is x and this is 1, in that case, it should be x plus 1. So width is x plus 1. The second part is, we are given this is 3 centimeters. If that is 3 centimeters, then how much is this side? That should be x plus 4 minus 3. So that leaves us with x plus 1, right? So x plus 4 minus 3 will be x plus 1. So that is this height. Now you can use any one of those formulas and find your answer. So let us say that we use total area, which is x plus 4 times x plus 1, take away area of this rectangle. So we'll use that formula for the time being. So say this is my area 2, that is my area 1. Area 1 is total area, right? So we are saying that the area of enclosed surface is equal to total area of the whole rectangle, which is x plus 1 times x plus 4. Take away area of this rectangle, which is x times x plus 1. Right? So that gives the area of enclosed surface, which is this area, right? So let me just shade this up. So we are talking about this area. Now we have to solve this algebraic expression to find area of this surface. Now there are two ways to solve this question. One is we can expand and then simplify, right? So just multiply each term, distributive property, and then simplify. The second way in this case is we can take x plus 1 as a common factor. So let me take x plus 1 as a common factor and then solve. So we get x plus 1 as a common factor between these two terms. So we are left with x plus 4 in the first one and minus x for the second one. Now let's solve it. We get x plus 1 times x plus 4 minus x is number 4, right? And this will give us 4x plus 4. So that becomes the area in the simplified form, right? Now, so we have done expand and simplify the area expression. So we have done that part. Now, we have also written the equation. Let's calculate area for x equals to 4. So to calculate area, let's substitute x equals to 4. We say if x equals to 4, in that case area equals to 4 times 4 plus 4, right? That is 16 plus 4, which is 20. The unit should be centimeter square, right? So we get our answer. So that is one way of doing it. The other way, I took this common factor. Some of the students might not have learned this process. So I'm doing expanding it and then writing my solution. So we have an expression which is x plus 1 times x plus 4 minus x times x plus 1. Let us expand. So when you expand, x times x is x square, then 4x, plus when you multiply with 1, we get x, 4x, yeah, 1x, and then plus 4, minus x square minus x, correct? Now combine the like terms. X square minus x square is 0. 4x plus x minus x leaves you with 4x, right? And then the number 4 plus 4. So you get 4x plus 4, same as what we got from factoring, correct? So these are the two ways you can actually expand and simplify also. So in this question, while solving, we learned a couple of things. First, we could have written this expression for area in two different ways. I adopted this method of total area minus this. You could do area of this square rectangle plus the area of that rectangle, correct? X plus 1 times 1 is area of this rectangle, and x plus 1 times 3. Let me write down that expression here to help you. So area could be equal to sum of the two areas, which are x plus 1 times 3. Let me make it this one, right? Times 3 plus this area. This area will be 1 centimeter by x plus 1. 1 times x plus 1, right? So that will also give you the same result, which is 4x plus 4. That's an alternate way of doing it. So we have learned a couple of ways of writing an expression and two different ways of even expanding and solving. I hope these strategies help you to solve similar questions. Subscribe to my videos and then learn more about polynomials. Thank you and all the best.